Big Snoop Dogg. Rolling with the Haitian nation. Can you believe that? DVD style. Real gangster shit, man. Like, you understand me? Real hood.
Shout out to all the Haitian Snaps, DVD. Shout out to all my Haitians out there.
Snaptout.com. No time to snap all day. You already know that. It's going down. Documentary. You see the flag. VA2 up, 2 down. All that.
Haitian Snap DVD, bitch. What?
It's your boy Split Star. Right now you're watching Haitian Snap DVD. You know how we do this. We're getting this money all the way from goddamn America to Trinidad to motherfucking Haiti. Alright? If you don't like it, get my mouth.
Alright, let it be every time, yo, Otta. Yes, Snaptout.com every time, yeah. Big up.
It's the Haitian Snap DVD.
Doing it big with the Haitian Snap DVD.
Y'all get that Snaptout.com, that DVD.
Yo, this is Fat Pooch representing on Snaptout.com, man. Thugga.
It's Snaptout. We was Snaptout DVD.
Haitian Snap DVD coming out.
Boom, keep it locked, cause you know what? When Snaptout come around, you know, say a pair big tune and get rinsed. Boom, keep it locked.
Let's go home in the motherfucking power. My ghetto passport is updated weekly. I'm here to
Snaptout.com.
You already know what it is. We in the building, bitch.